Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Roblox Executor on iOS. First, understand that these tools allow you to run custom scripts within the Roblox game environment on your Apple device. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from finding a suitable executor to executing your first script. We'll cover essential steps to get you started, ensuring you have a clear understanding of each stage involved in setting up and utilizing these powerful tools. Finding a reliable executor is your crucial first step. You'll need to search for reputable sources online, often through dedicated communities or forums. Always prioritize executors known for their stability and security, as many unofficial applications can pose risks. Look for versions specifically designed for iOS, ensuring compatibility with your device's operating system. Take a few minutes to research user reviews and community feedback before making your selection. Once you've selected an executor, the installation process typically involves sideloading the application onto your iOS device. This often requires using a third-party installer or a computer to transfer the file. You'll need to adjust your device's settings to allow installations from untrusted sources, usually found under General and VPN and Device Management. Follow the specific instructions provided with your chosen executor carefully for a successful setup. With the executor installed, open Roblox and then launch the executor application. Most executors feature an inject button or similar function to connect to the running Roblox game. Once injected, you can paste or load your desired scripts into the executor's interface. These scripts can range from simple modifications to complex game enhancements. Execute the script, and you should see its effects immediately within your Roblox game session, offering a new level of customization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.